Colossal Biosciences completed a $320 million Series C funding round with participation from USIT, Bob Nelsen, and Peter Jackson, valuing the company at $10.3 billion. Today, we're joined by Ben Lamm, co-founder and CEO of Colossal, to discuss the company's groundbreaking work in de-extinction, synthetic biology, and its vision for the future of biotechnology.
We were planning on raising a $200 million Series C. We ended up raising $320 million. So we were a little oversubscribed, which is great. I think a lot of the progress of the company over the last year in terms of our end-to-end de-extinction pipeline, as well as our synthetic biology toolkit, has garnered a lot of support and excitement around investors. The two most genetically modified animals in the world using precision editing is the woolly mouse and the dire wolves. So I think we got people pretty excited of what we've achieved in less than 4 years, which is really exciting. And we're going to be leveraging this money and this expansion of capital to increase our staff, increase our lab space, as well as hopefully bring on new species and accelerate the existing species that are working within kind of our framework.
Colossal's rise has sparked worldwide fascination, blending bold imagination with groundbreaking science to bring the impossible within reach.
A lot of people are trying to make one or two edits as it relates to synthetic biology. We're doing multiplex editing, full DNA synthesis in some categories where, we're deriving, 5, 10, and even hopefully hundreds of edits at one particular time. So I think that's a pretty unique difference in terms of like how we're approaching it. We're also working in ancient DNA, so it's much harder. So we're actually have to build pretty robust tools and AI models for not just comparative genomics, but for full genomic restoration before we can even do the computational analysis. So the tools that we're having developed are more robust from a computational side, a modeling side, and then also from a genome engineering and DNA synthesis side, because we're trying to make so many edits at one time while also maintaining cellular integrity and health. So I think that the challenges that we're trying to solve are much larger than most.
Behind this progress lies a powerful network of collaboration, a global alliance between top universities, research labs, and industry leaders, all working together to push the boundaries of genetic engineering.
We actually fund, over 60 postdocs in academic labs. We have over 17 different academic lab partners with some of the top universities in the entire world. And so for me, I think it's really important because I think great ideas come out of academia. We also have licensed core technology from both industry and academia to help accelerate kind of our efforts. And then we develop our own technologies and even built on top of some of those technologies. So for us, I think the combination of industry partners as well as top tier universities is key to our research and key to kind of our expansion in terms of developing this synthetic biology tool set.
These partnerships form the foundation of Colossal's research ecosystem, accelerating discoveries and turning visionary science into tangible impact. Looking ahead, the company's ambitions extend far beyond de-extinction, opening new possibilities for how its technology could transform life on Earth.
So outside of de-extinction, I'd say probably secondly is conservation, right? Leveraging these tools to combat the sixth mass extinction that's caused by man, where it's forecasted that we're going to lose up to 50% of biodiversity in the next 25 years. So leveraging these new tools and technologies in conservation and conservation genetics, as well as cryopreservation and genetic rescue and cloning, I think is going to be key. In addition to that, human healthcare. So a lot of the tools and technologies have direct application to curing multi-genic disease states, as well as supporting everything from next-gen IVF techniques and computational analysis for things like drug discovery or manufacturability of certain very complex drugs. So I think that kind of everything from therapeutics to assisted fertility and genome engineering for curing different disease states are all within kind of the boundaries of how we see our technologies applying to human healthcare.
As these technologies evolve, Colossal is already translating its scientific breakthroughs into real-world applications, from healthcare to environmental innovation.
We spun out a company called Form Bio, which is focusing on leveraging our tools and technologies for different types of therapeutics and fixing problems in the manufacturability of certain drugs and helping them pass clinical trials, so getting drugs to market faster and cheaper, which is key. And then we also have Breaking, which is our plastic degradation company. So it's actually an enzyme that we supercharge using synthetic biology and a combination of microbes that can break down any type of plastic that we've thrown at it, and without pre-treatment or anything, and it actually breaks the chemical bonds, which is pretty cool. So it's not making smaller plastics, it's actually just eradicating the plastic. So those are just two of our first both human healthcare and industrial use cases that have come out of our platform.
From de-extinction to human health and sustainability, Colossal is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, turning visionary science into real-world impact. Colossal Biosciences, advancing the frontiers of biotechnology.